exactly the sound that I wanted out of my bike.
What's the numbers?
Really like the sound because it's still deep, but it's raspier. Alright guys, we're back at the Torquecustomcycles shop. Today we're going to be doing the Khrome Werks exhaust install. Right now we currently have the 2 and 2. We're going to be taking this off. We're going to be doing the 2 and 1. And then we're going to put on the dyno, see where we're going to get. Today we're going to find out
What's the numbers? What's the numbers? What's the numbers?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Strong man.
Almost there. Come on.
So is there anything different that we should know when we're converting from a 2 and a 2 and a 2 and a 1, or does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter. The only thing we're going to do is, on the other side, remove the,
O2 sensor?
no, see the bracket that holds the muffler up?
Oh yeah.
So we'll take the bracket, we'll take that rubber bushing out of there.
Sweet. There we go.
Drop?
Yep. So this is what?
Anti-seize.
Anti-seize. What's this for?
Put this on the threads of the O2 sensors so that they don't weld themselves into your pipe.
Nice.
Put the wrong one in the wrong pipe.
You always put it in the wrong hole, man.
If you get this stuff all over your hands, this stuff goes everywhere. Looks like you just jerked off the Tin Man. Just try not to, when you're putting these back in, try not to get the wires twisted. That's why I spin the wire when you're threading it in. You don't gotta go crazy tight with them. They have a sealing washer.
But the torque spec, everybody was listening to the torque spec.
Transmission. 25 foot-pounds. I knew that, but I just wanted to check.
Which is smart, daddy.
Good torque wrench is key.
What's left is tighten up these heads.
Tighten up the flange bolts, put the muffler on and the heat shields.
That's it, right?
That's it.
Oh. We didn't get it on film, but we did change out the exhaust gaskets as well on there. Just finished tightening up all the nuts. We'll we're pretty much almost there. Wait, say that again?
This piece is the only thing I'm seeing that's new. So I don't know if that has to do with the collector heat shield. So that's what we're gonna find out.
Heat shields are going on now. All the nice, pretty little chrome. I guess we'll do this.
We're gonna do the ride-on.
Got to put on the end cap, the tint, and then we exhaust them. That's it, man. Wipe this puppy down, so we're gonna get these fingerprints on there. We're all set. And we'll turn it off for the first time, and we can all hear it together. So this is exactly the sound that I wanted out of my bike. Sounds great. All we're gonna do now is just throw on the dyno and find out what the numbers are. But it sounds great. It sounds really good. I'm really happy.
It's different. It's totally different.
Oh yeah. It does sound way different from the 2 and the 2, right?
Yeah. So I got that on my bike. The 2 and the 2 has just got like a deeper growl, and this is sound way more aggressive.
This sounds a little bit more raspier compared to the 2 and the 2. So the bike runs great. Just put on the dyno really quick just to do a little pull on it. We're gonna bring it back next week over here just to tune the whole thing over again. There's just not enough time today. Shop's closing, I had it at home. But it's on, it sounds great. If you guys are in the market and you're looking for an exhaust system, check out Khrome Werks. I'm gonna be linking down their description down below. If you're in the local area, when you get some work done on your bike, stop by, hit up Mike, let him know I sent you. All types of installs, exhaust, engine work, audio, just a plethora of everything that goes on in this shop. Sounds great.
Yeah, it sounds good. Also, I mean, like we talked about, the air is a little thick in here right now. So
yeah, it's
not optimal for tuning.
It's not. It's like 100 degrees today, so it's too hot, and yeah,
humidity too.
And we're out of time, so
yeah.
We're gonna next week. The weather's supposed to be really good, so it should be cooler in here. I'm hoping we're gonna get some higher numbers than we had before. 105 horsepower and 122 foot-pounds of torque is what we have on the dual. So we'll see if we can bring this up a bit more.
If we don't, I mean, if the numbers don't come up, what may happen with the different exhausters, your peak horsepower and your torque curve may change and go to a different spot. That's what we're gonna find out.
Okay, cool.
All right, first ride
on the bike with exhaust. I love the raspier sound that this pipe has. I've always had 2-in-1 pipes on my bikes, and there's always been like a raspier sound. So I'm kind of happy that I kind of have that raspy sound back with the 2-in-1. I really like the sound because it's still deep, but it's raspier. I love it. Yo, huge shout out to my boy Logan over there at Khrome Werks. Like I was saying before, if you guys are interested in getting a Khrome Werks system, hit those guys up. I'm gonna be linking their Instagram and their website link in the description box. They make a great product. I've had the Khrome Werks tune exhaust system on my bike for, I don't know, the past year and a half, almost 2 years maybe. Absolutely loved it. I wanted to go a different direction now with the looks of the bike, so I wanted a 2-in-1. I wanted to change everything up. That's the only reason why I ended up changing it, but if it wasn't for that, I would have been fine with those pipes. That's gonna be it. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. It was a fun one. I'm super happy with the product, super happy with the install. Pipe looks great, sounds great. And then tune in next week to see the final numbers on the dyno. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.